welcome to Kate's Egg. Today I'm taking a Montana road trip with my dad to Dupuyer. Beautiful, beautiful views along the way, so I thought I'd video and show you. I'm so excited. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and share it with everyone you know so more people can learn about how their food gets to their table. Okay, let's get into the video. Right now we're just past Pendroy. Out of the pickup window. Is that crazy or what? Yes, we are.
We don't get stuck, it'll be great.
Oh my gosh. Yes, let's hope we don't get stuck. It is Montana winters. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 80-mile-an-hour winds with gusts. That's just crazy. I mean, we don't even want to be outside because I would definitely be blown away. Most amazing view ever. All those deer out in the field, that is absolutely crazy. Aw, they're so cool. A whole herd of them. Okay, I just left Joyce Fields. Well, Dad and I just left. I had such a good time, so I'll insert some videos of when I was up there, but you also have to check out the cow video because that is a super fun one, and I had such a great time. Now we're going to the restaurant in Dupuyer, try and take little stops on the way as well to show you some of the great views. I'm super excited, and this is kind of what Montana road trips are like. It's not a lot of civilization anywhere. I would say, what do you think, Dad? It's about an hour to a store from here. Maybe not quite an hour, and then it's at least 2 hours to the city. So it's quite away from civilization. I'm so glad I can show you. I'm really excited. This is a fun road trip. I kind of am planning to do maybe a couple more road trips. Dad and I are thinking about cool places in Montana maybe not everyone knows about, and especially from different parts of the world, so you can see a little bit more about what Montana's like, because it's truly just an absolutely stunningly beautiful place. I'll do a little pan around here and show you what it looks like. Cows are super, super awesome, and they're just adorable. They have the absolute cutest calves ever. That's kind of what today looks like. Today's Saturday. We're going to go to a restaurant in Dupuyer. Dad and I had a great time. Yes, big thumbs up on that part. I'll let you know what happened. As you can see, there's some old equipment here. Yeah, an old homestead, just everywhere.
Look at, they got a little weird shaped barn.
As my dad drives off the road.
The oil tanks here, 2K.
Yeah, there is some oil wells. Right there. I'm really trying to reach more people with Kate's Egg because I want to bridge the gap between farmers and consumers. It's so important to me because not a lot of people know where their food comes from, and farmers and ranchers' jobs are so important. So I really believe in that. Made it to Dupuyer. That is basically what this road trip's about. I'm also going to include a little on the way home because there's so much more cool scenery. We're just coming up right now. It's kind of where all those trees are, as you can see, on the edge of the river bottom. We're just coming into town here. Yep, and there's the buffalo that they have carved out. So here's the little town. It's pretty cute. The Rocky Mountains are all over here. The clouds are kind of have them covered right now. I've actually been here once. My family came for a Father's Day dinner here last year, but this is my only second time being here, so you get to enjoy it with me. This is the restaurant right here. I think it's called Buffalo Joe's. I'm here with Crystal at Buffalo Joe's. It's a fabulous restaurant, also a local business here in Dupuyer. After stopping at Joyce Fields and doing a wonderful video, we came here. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
It's really great. They have a lot of cool parts to the restaurant. A lot of cool different people stop here.
Yeah.
So this right is a bear trap.
Watch where you step, Kate.
Yes. Oh no. Yeah. Now my dad and I are going to get an ice cream cone.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Here's my ice cream cone. I just got a vanilla ice cream. It is very delicious. If you want to learn a little bit more of the Front Range of the Rockies, this is in Dupuyer. You can just read this here on the screen. It's kind of cool, so I thought I'd show it to you. There's also one here, as I'm walking through the snowdrift, about Dupuyer. Since I really like history, I thought that would be a cool thing to stop and show you. Look at how much snow there is here and wind. It's always so windy. Oh my goodness, look at the snow. Rocky Mountains. They're a bit covered by the clouds right now. Right up here, I don't know if you can see them very well, but that's the Sweetgrass Hill right there. This is the Budweiser elevator. We also use an elevator in Conrad, but not that one because I think they make you grow specific barley for that. That's the elevator in my How Farmers Make Money video. It is crazy looking from the top of that. All those train cars are going to that elevator or coming from it, we're not sure, but they are basically going to be getting filled up with grain. And if you haven't watched my How Farmers Make Money video, I showed you the rail cars, so they're pretty cool. They're gonna go get filled up with grain. Very long, 110 unit. This elevator is in Conrad. It's United Grain. I had a really fun time at that elevator, so this is kind of the road trip. We passed through Pendroy and then we came to, now we're in Conrad and we'll be heading back. So that was really a fun road trip, Dad.
Yep, super fun, wasn't it?
I agree. I think it was very fun, and I hope you enjoyed a little Montana road trip because it's pretty fun. Also, don't forget to follow Kate's Egg on Instagram, KATES_AG, Kate's Egg on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and also on TikTok. You can also visit the Kate's Egg website, www.katesegg.com. Thank you so much.